Good morning. Just had a massive breakfast, like literally it was called a big breakfast. We were going to go for our morning stroll around the deck, but it's closed off due to strong winds, so we're laying down instead. Just so that you know, you are being filmed. Where are you? Yeah, you ducking? So yeah, so it's actually day 3 today. Going back home tomorrow. We've got to get our bags out tonight by 5:30. So today's going to be just a little bit chillax. Once again, cruises are awesome. If you can get onto a cruise, I highly recommend it. And look at these views. It's gorgeous. So a bit of a bummer, but anyway, we're going to be okay. Yeah, we can do some basketball. Wow. So we just come back from our beer and food pairing with Chef Daniel and Liam from Dave's brewery. They do tours and stuff. So it was about getting the right foods with the right beers. So we just had a little dark ale with a chocolate tart, which you wouldn't think would go well, but surprisingly, A1 pale ales that go with fish, pale ales that go with Italian food. Yeah, it's quite yum. So many good ideas about food. We're just gonna go there and do stuff. Well, Nicole is, she's the master chef in this relationship.
Apparently I'm making a ganache.
Yes, please. We're gonna go do that right now in the cabin. Now we're going to be doing another show. It's a culinary cook-off. Some chefs are going to be making some cuisines, and we, the audience, get to choose who wins. I don't want to be picked, although I do want to taste the food, so it's a conundrum. Yeah, so nice. Yeah, so if we go sit down somewhere, we're going to drink. Pick a spot. How's it going down?
Very nicely.
Very nicely.
Very nice.
Look at this beautiful sunset coming on. So we're hoping to get some beautiful sunset photos later on. That way. See? Great. Superman.
First time the decks have been open all day.
Yes, we've had these things closed with the bloody wind. Beautiful day. Going back into port tomorrow morning. I'll probably go through Sydney Head at 5:30 in the morning. Really won't be up for that at all. opportunities we'll have to do some exercise. We could do these at home, but we don't have these beautiful views, of course. We saw a cooking show, that look at the cook-off show that we were going to look at before. The two cooking contestants both had microphones on. The host had a microphone on. So it was just a bit of a shambles. Everyone was just talking over the top of each other. You couldn't understand what was going on.
They never actually said what they were cooking.
We didn't know what they were cooking.
We had to vote to decide who won without knowing what they were cooking.
It was a little bit of a mess.
It was chaotic.
Yeah, the guy that we like best, Chef Daniel, winner. But it was fun. So tonight we're going to be going to have Italian. We're going to Angelo's, Italian food being one of my favourite foods ever made. We went and we stole some, we didn't steal it, we stole it. We got some mousse from the pantry last night and we put it in the room to have for when we got back later on. But we're so full from dinner. We had Asian last night, Chinese?
Asian fusion.
Asian fusion. And we were so full from that we didn't really want to eat the dessert. So the mousse is still sitting on our bench.
Almost 24 hours later.
In the cabin. That's not very cool. Are we nearly done with the laps?
Yeah, we can.
The hair.
Go.
Another half lap.
Yeah.
And we'll go home, we'll go get our luggage out tonight and get ready for dinner.
I don't think she
And we are back home. It is 7:25 in the morning. We just had breakfast with a lovely couple we just met. I'm leaving today. Yeah, it was a nice 3-day cruise. Nice introduction to cruising. It'd be really nice to go to a place and get off and have a look around because 3 days was pretty much, you know, I'm gonna stretch your legs a bit, but it was fun. We do have a pretty massive logistic exercise to get home. So that'll be fun. We've got to go down through there. Yeah, it's going to be interesting as there's about 2 ships here, so there's going to be about 3,000 people who are trying to get home at once. Taxi's not really going to be an option, so we're going to look at the ferry. We think. So we could have come up to this point at any time during the cruise. They did close it up for sunset and sunrise, which is a little bit weird. We could have been here the whole time out on the deck. This is where Nicole wanted to do. She wanted to come up. She wanted to do the Titanic thing over there. No Leonardo's. Cruise done. Out.
Someone like you, I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see